Listen, my son I missed my son getting off the bus at my house. I have got to get his driving signal.
Oh, your son is at the
Is that where all the stuff is in the cart?
Do you have anybody to pick him up?
Not right away.
Okay.
I'm trying, but I don't know. I can't win all these things.
Who's this? This is my son Jackson.
Hi, Jackson. Oh, he's beautiful.
Do you have your ID?
Oh, yes. I'm sorry.
So obviously you're being stopped reference to a theft investigation, and at this point you are detained. So I want to advise you of your Miranda rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, it won't be appointed to you for any questioning. You have the right to stop every question, not make a statement until asked or is present. You understand those rights?
Yes.
So what's going on here?
Petty theft.
Yeah. Why? You don't know why?
Can I get him out?
I don't know.
Can I get him out?
Yeah, that's fine. You can get him out. I don't care.
Thank you. He's got
Is this your child or your grandbaby or
That's my child.
your child?
Yeah, and my other son.
We caught her a few months ago. She's pregnant.
Yeah, you gotta go to the doctor.
Do you drive?
Yes.
You're suspended. You ain't got a license. You ain't driving out of here. So why are you doing this?
I don't even have an answer for that.
You don't have an answer. You got money or what?
I got like $20.
I mean, do you have what are you stealing?
With makeup and all her stuff.
Purse and the baby carrier is what they said.
And she stuck a bunch of wax melts and some other stuff possibly in her. I know it was not wax melts in her purse.
Yeah.
Well, this is on that.
The bag is itself.
All ours. And she's got stuff in her purse too. So.
Well, he's got the purse here. Well,
Is it just this?
She had a bunch of those.
That's all I see is that one.
There's another pocket in it.
No.
on the back side there.
ma'am.
Oh, sorry.
Like the zipper pocket.
I don't want you to walk up behind me while I'm searching this purse. Go sit down on that bench over there.
Okay, I apologize. I wasn't trying to.
It looked like she stuck like 3 or 4 of these in there.
They just want you to stay still.
You got our ID and all that.
What do you have folded up aluminum foil in here?
Just because I got it from my sister-in-law today. She gave me some so I could go to our roast. That's not the only reason I have that. I don't get high. You can. Sir, I have the guy right there going through my. Do I need to fill that out?
Well, you're going to be trespassed because this is the second time, right? Because I caught you, November last year, and after that, and I caught you multiple times at Coles, right?
Yeah, like a long time ago. Yeah.
You want to lock that or cut it?
Do you have the key to this thing, ma'am?
Can I see if it's on my?
I don't want you to look at the. I want you to tell me do you have a key or not.
No, it's on my key ring.
Okay. Where's the key ring at? So I have to cut this lock off.
Go ahead and cut it off.
Is there anything illegal in this thing?
No, it's my medicine. I'm just gonna run it off.
I understand that. Oh, there's a key in here. Is that what this is for? Well, that's not a key. Never mind.
No, it's at home. There's not a key in there. It's at home.
Something else right there. You got bolt cutters, Phil? Can you go back and sit down on the bench? Thank you. That'll work, yeah.
Just cut the zipper.
That'll work, won't they?
It might not cut that, but it'll cut that aluminum zipper. You know, the hole in the zipper.
10 shears or shears or whatever.
A woman is stopped inside a national retailer after loss prevention reports concealed merchandise. An infant sits in her cart. No jurisdiction, agency, or date appears anywhere, so federal standards apply. What makes this unusual is a warning delivered before anyone asked a question. The Miranda warning arrives 43 seconds into contact before any question is asked. She is detained, not in custody, so no warning is owed yet. The officer's stated reason is wrong. The consequence is not. Every answer that follows is protected by it. Loss prevention opened this purse first, which narrows what the officer must justify himself. He goes further a separate compartment, then folded foil pursued as a drug inference never charged. Search incident to arrest would cover it. Nobody says so. He announces he will cut the lock. She tells him to cut it off. Consent during a detention is not automatically invalid, and the warning already given makes this the easiest consent here to defend.
Yeah.
Then once you get the lock off, it should slide through, right?
Yeah.
You're welcome to read it, but I'll explain it to you basically.
We need to have someone come get the kid, yeah.
Now I'm thinking about it, maybe I have heard now.
Especially since she has prior thefts, for sure, yeah.
You got a cell phone on?
Yeah, she was on it, but the time I was watching.
Where? Oh, missed that. I don't shoot basketball.
Me neither.
Oh, my going to jail, guys. Please.
Yeah. Listen, yeah, you've had prior thefts from the same store. You know this whole ordeal, and you're stealing stuff that's not a necessity.
Please.
Makeup and candle wax and all that. Okay, call someone to come get your child.
Oh my God, man.
Hey, you don't have a license, so it's...
Will you make sure you get the trespass form signed? I'll go get a receipt.
Is your mama gonna come? Mama gonna come? Somebody knows how to take care of them.
Do you guys know how much a bond would be?
We'll be able to tell you when we get to the jail. They'll be able to give you an exact amount.
150.
Yeah, anywhere between $150 and $500 probably.
Them lunches only be
Is she at
150.
court in the morning?
Officers describe what was taken as cosmetics and candle wax. Nobody counts it. Nobody prices it. In most states, that single number decides whether this is a petty offense or a felony.
Yeah.
So she'll get it in
Yeah.
the morning.
If they don't kick her out already, unless he fins out a bond.
Yeah.
That's more likely what'll happen.
Probably violated.
I will talk to you about everything. I'm going to go to jail. I think it's $157.
Anywhere between $150 and $300 probably, yeah.
Whatever their fees are tacked on 150.
Right here. You're gonna.
So
he's
probably
right
200.
here with me.
Probably 200 something. 220 you say.
And $1,000 bond, 10% is $100 plus your bonds and fee. Should be $150, $175.
What, and
Is that her
100
previous right there, Castle?
And
It was $1,000.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
When was
What do
that?
you think?
$302.
Don't argue with me. Are you coming or not?
November 3, 24.
10% out of the 100.
I don't remember. Which is 154.
But she wouldn't trespass in or anything.
Whatever they are, yeah.
Okay, so
Well,
listen. Someone's got to come get the baby, and someone's got to come get the baby from me. I'm at Walmart. We need someone to get Michael.
He said you should go to get a training on Thursday. You got enough people.
I was trying to call. My ringer went off. My alarm went off at 3:30. I was like, all right. So I tried to call everybody to go to the house to make sure that they were there, and nobody was there. So he's at the bus garage. Amy has him there waiting for someone to come get him. Hello. Okay, you gotta talk. I can't sit here on the phone like this.
Incoming.
I just told you. Amy has him at the bus garage. I just said that. Why are you not listening? No.
Her other son is waiting up at the
She said it was for the pop race.
bus station. He's a little guy too.
How long is he going to be till he gets here?
He said not long. He said it's coming right now to get the baby.
Okay.
Did you know to come to Walmart?
Yeah.
I don't know how she got here because she walked through the parking lot.
Drove, she said.
Those leftover catering.
$260.
And brisket.
They didn't bring it to us, it was local cable.
Yeah, but it comes in between one and so
At this point, you are trespassing all Walmart properties, and that includes Sam's Club and Murphy's Oil, the gas station. If you come back, you'll be charged with trespassing. You understand that? Okay. You finished with that form?
Yeah, we bought Tupperware.
Oh, I think he's probably the cutest baby I've ever seen in my life.
Is there any way that somebody can cash this in?
Your party cam whenever they come.
And you guys, I'm really not a bad person. I just make bad decisions.
Again, you're,
No, you're not.
no one thinks you are a bad
I
person
can
here.
vouch
Yeah.
for that. I've known Amanda for many years.
I thought you were vouching for us.
I just make
I always
really,
vouch
really
for-
bad decisions.
I vouch for you
I'm
too.
trying to find a
I
piece
just
of
told
gum
her
or
he's a
something.
good
My mouth's
guy.
so dry.
Yes, I was.
I thought there was another dollar.
I didn't see a dollar in there. There was a dollar in that purse and down the bottom between all that stuff right
Yeah,
there.
because every dollar counts right now.
Yeah. But not this. Not in
There
there.
it is.
Yeah, there it is. Hold it up. Yeah.
My mom will watch your baby. My mom would love to watch your baby. So for a minimal thing, you know what I mean? Because she's retired. So take my number. You need to get into groups.
That's not sanitary. You know.
I'm a social worker for the police department. So I come to this kind of stuff. I didn't know it was you. I just heard a lady in a white t-shirt with a baby stealing. So I was like, let me come. Let me see what's going on with her, because she might need help.
I wish I would have thought about this
You
before.
go tell Michelle that. Tell her that you're working with me and you're going to go to treatment. And then I'll make sure that your ass does go to treatment. Like I'm not gonna lie to Michelle to get you out of jail. But the whole thing is, you need to do treatment. I would like for you to do treatment.
I have no
With
problem
him.
with that.
I would like for you not to miss 3 months of his life. So
Well-
it'd be nice if we could find a place for you to take him.
That is it. And truthfully, you know, like it's really hard to work on yourself because they wouldn't. When I had to go to Slimmy's for 30 days because I got caught driving without a license. And so she sent me there instead of jail.
It's nice.
They wanted me to put him in daycare. Well, I did. And they were just not
Okay.
good with him. So I packed him for 30 days. And I couldn't do anything. Like, I couldn't sit down. I couldn't stand up. Like, it was just so
Yeah.
hard.
Yeah.
And so, if I go to treatment, I hate to say this because I love him so much,
Yeah.
but I would rather go to be able to work on myself
Yes.
than to go and just
Be
have.
taking care of him and trying to work on yourself. It's you gotta focus on one thing. I get it.
Yeah, because that's really hard.
Okay.
He arrested her at this store before. Rather than rely on memory, he pulls that report on camera, confirms she was never formally banned, and issues the notice now. Probable cause built on today, not on history, and no force is used at any point in this arrest. Graham versus Connor has nothing to weigh. A social worker employed by the police department sent herself to this call. She offers childcare, pushes treatment, and refuses to misstate facts to win a release, the most professional act in this recording. It is also unwarned questioning of a custodial arrestee.
Man, I've called the school. I called the high school. They connected me to here. The elementary didn't answer. I was on the phone with them for 10 minutes, like trying to call someone, and then they stopped me at the door, and I was still trying to call. I couldn't get a hold of anybody.
What's gonna happen?
He's at the garage. He's got to be.
Where'd he go to school? Where'd he go to school at?
Huntington Elementary.
He's waiting on her to pick him up. I reckon.
Well, what happened is I just left a doctor's office and come here, and then my alarm went off. But when it went off, it was 3:54. He gets off the bus at 3:40, and which I just had plans on.
So he's been there waiting this whole time?
Well, his uncle was supposed to go get him. Did Maya go to the bus station and get him?
The school ain't gonna leave him out there by himself, I wouldn't imagine. So
Yeah, he's
Don't
at
figure
the
it out.
bus garage. Okay, Mike, but you know, excuse me, guys. You know as well as I do. I don't know the number, or neither do you, so I don't know why you're asking me. Hey, Sarah,
how you doing, man?
can you please turn off my phone?
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device.
Yes.
Hey, baby.
He's ready. I put Vicks, go put this and go drinking that. But I need you to follow me. Keep your hand in.
Baby. Is there any holders?
Holders of what?
Yeah.
No.
Like, so I don't want to pay a bond and them have to tell
I have
her.
nothing. No, I have nothing.
At this point, all there is a theft charge. Again, like I told her, I can't sit. I don't know what Gilman will do because the probation officer. I don't know what she'll do.
She can't get bonded out tonight.
She can get bonded out. Again, I don't know what welcome tomorrow at court. Gilman they may put a hold on tomorrow at court. I don't know. That's up to the probation department tomorrow. It's nothing that's going to be done tonight or anything.
I've been
He
talking
has
to
a
Josh.
doctor.
If anything happens and you get
Listen, if anything happens, Joey, it's good. Mom will watch.
I talked to Josh. He's got to give. I trust Josh and his babysitters. Peyton and mom. Mom's gonna come stay at the house. Peyton's gonna have to help out.
You were not left. You
I
were
lose
not
my
left
job
the
over some
child.
stupid bullshit.
I get it. Okay, I'm not gonna argue.
I know. I get it too, Amanda. But
You don't get it
I don't. I know.
because it's not you that does it. So no, you don't get it.
I do get it, Amanda. We're a family. So this makes it to where I have to worry about what I'm gonna do with the kids while I'm working and who's gonna have my kids.
You have to go get
I'm
that.
not worried about that right now. I know. I get it, Amanda. I do.
Do you?
Yeah, I do. I mean, you should get it. I'm sorry. I'm not. I'm upset. I got a lot going on, and then now this. I love you, no matter what. I'm behind you 100%. But I mean, not. You know what I mean, man. I know, right? Yeah.
When I was at the doctor. Yeah.
Okay. Well,
That's all. I don't want
Let's get
to
this.
smoke in your room.
let's get this done. Mine's got my phone.
All right, let's get to the jail. That way we can get you bonded out. After we get there, we get you bonded out.
So we can go
You
on.
know how long it usually takes?
Between 30 and 45 minutes. When I get her in there and get her booked in, between 30 minutes probably. Then they'll get her booked in and everything, get you a bond number and all
Yeah,
that.
'cause it's not like court. They don't have to wait for papers to come and all that.
And I
They
just go in the side door right there.
Yeah, right there where the jail entrance is. You'll see a garage door. It's a 24-hour entrance.
Released and
It's
stuff.
right there. Yep. You go in there and tell them you're here to bond somebody out. Again, give me about a half hour to get there and get them booked in. Then tell them you're there to bond somebody out, and they'll let you bond her out.
Absolutely.
All right. So hang on. You gonna take that purse out? Okay. All right. Walk out to the car.
I'm not gonna run there.
I don't expect you to run or anything.
So I have a question.
Yeah, I'll shoot her a text and let her know what's going on and that you're in there, okay?
But like, I don't need rehab for drugs. I need rehab for like thinking problems, I guess. You know, like my impulsiveness and all that.
No agency, date, or case number appears anywhere in this recording, so no outcome can be verified. On the footage alone, the theft allegation rests on her own admission, and the trespass notice is properly documented. Beyond that, nothing is known. Arresting officer B+, loss prevention B. The police social worker B+, the arrested woman D+. The department B. Full reasoning is on screen. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.